In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly find duplicates and unique values in two columns. So select your data to find duplicate. Then conditional formatting, easily spot trends and patterns in your data. So click here, then highlight cells rule, then here click on duplicate values. Here select duplicate, here select the color code. Then click on OK. So these all values are duplicate. Similarly, you can find out unique. So here in duplicate values, select the unique in this drop down. So this way green value is unique and red values is duplicate. Thanks for watching.